our Ducati adventures.
Yeah.
Is that right? Ducato, sorry. We have Daz and Hollie, who we've become very good friends with, because some of you may have known that Daz helped us out with our van, getting it through its MOT. So we're always be grateful for that. So we just want to show off now this superb self-build.
Yes.
So how long will it take you to do this?
It took us a year and a half.
Year and a half to do it?
Yeah. We just bought a normal van and started the process.
Yeah, and this is your third build?
Yes, we had a VW T4 at first.
Yeah.
And then a VW T5.
Uh-huh.
And then we bought this.
Right, so what's the engine size on that?
2.3.
2.3 diesel.
Diesel. And 2016.
Just quite new then, yeah?
Yeah.
Quite new. And you've also put all the extras. Is it actually registered as a campervan?
Yes.
It is. Yes. So it's all DVL campervan. So you're proper then?
It was changed before the rules changed.
Right.
We just caught it by a month.
Uh-huh. But it would actually go through now anyway, wouldn't it? Because
Yes.
you got the windows and the pull-out awning.
I think the only thing we're missing is probably the stickers on the side, which is DVL.
Oh, yeah, the decals and that, yeah. So yeah, it's sorted. So what's what is it? You're fully gassed up and everything. What's in at the bottom there?
An auto gas LPG tank underneath, 30
Yeah.
litre.
30 litre.
Yes, this is the filling point here,
Uh-huh.
and this is the barbecue outlet.
Oh, you got he's pretty posh that, isn't he? And then you got a wastewater tank now. Or?
Yes, I've got Barrett waste water and fresh tank. 100 fresh and 90 waste.
All underslung.
Yes, all
Underslung. Lovely.
The taps is on the other side.
You got an outside light above your door, I see.
Yeah, that's a Dometic.
Dometic, is it?
Yeah, it stops the rain dripping in when the sliding doors open
Right.
as well.
That's like our gutter.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's quite handy.
So that's the gutter and light strip in one.
Yeah,
I see it's got a sensor there as well.
that's for your outside temperature on that control panel. What's inside?
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I thought it might have been for the light there. Yeah.
So
And then you got your Dometic roll-out awning.
which is three meters.
Are you happy with that?
Yeah, it's really
And then we have a electric step. Bit jealous of this because Deb really wants a step,
and it's a fuel.
and it's electric, powered by that switch just there.
Yeah. And that's how we can tell how much gas we eat.
Oh, there's your gas gauge, yeah. So yeah, that makes Deb jealous, that step.
And then we've got
And you got the fly screen. Not cheap items.
no, nothing's cheap for them anyway. So.
Nah, that's luscious. At the back of the vehicle, you've utilised what's it, like a bicycle rack, is it?
Yeah, it's a bike rack. You can still use the bike rack.
Uh-huh.
Then you have boards on the back if you ever get stuck.
Yeah.
Stick to your wheels.
Waffle boards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So which is quite handy.
Yeah. And I see you got reversing camera. Is that camera or reversing?
It's a camera. Instead of wiring it up on the reverse,
Yeah.
I just done it permanent.
Right.
So you can have it on any time.
And then right at the top there, I could just about see that plastic dome. Is that for the internet?
Yeah, that's the 4G antenna.
Uh-huh.
So it's quite good for the size of it.
Yeah. So let's have a look inside if you don't mind. We can go in, yeah? So you got two swivel chairs. Are they like the caps? What they call them?
Captain chairs.
Captain chairs.
Yeah, we can have a table here. The carpet lifts up and you can put.
Oh right, yeah,
So,
the pole and table.
So we can actually have the table here and have a fixed bed if we wanted.
Uh-huh.
Got the Ramos.
Are they original seats?
Yes.
So they actually Ducato seats then,
Yes, the original seats.
Lovely.
I added extra armrests to them because they only had one armrest.
Uh-huh.
So I had to weld some brackets on.
Oh, you done a bit of welding on them?
Yes.
Really now. You got storage above. That I take it that goes back to the.
Yes, it's above the car, but we just keep the bedding up there.
All the
which is
bedding.
It's ideal for that.
Lovely. And above your head there, you've got. Is that
Your controls. for your water, your lights, your and stuff like that. Your leisure batteries. It's a CBE.
So that tells you everything what's going on with your van. Is that your waste and everything then?
Yes.
And
tells
gas?
you not the gas. My gas is another one, separate. But you've got your waste. Your fresh, your outside temperature, inside temperature.
Right.
Your leisure batteries, your engine battery.
Okay, and does it? What about your hot water system?
Yeah, this controls a hot water system. We've got an 8 litre water heater.
Right.
Underneath the bed, so instant hot water.
Instant, so that'd be gas then, is it?
Yeah, it just runs on LPG.
Right, yeah.
So uses very little, which is quite good.
And that's and what batteries have you got?
2 110s.
2 110s.
Just lead ones, though, I think.
Lead acids.
Yeah, I think I'll upgrade at some time, but.
What, to the gels?
Yeah, to the gels.
For the moment, you're all right, though, ain't you?
Yeah, yeah.
And they're under the bed, are they?
The batteries is actually under the driver's seat.
Oh, right.
But the water heater's under the.
Under this, yeah.
Where
did you get this from then? Is that...
It's just from Magnum Motorhomes.
Oh, right.
It's a full kit.
Right.
Comes with a battery charger, 16 amp charger, 240 charger.
Spot on. Is it? Yeah. And you fitted all that?
Yeah, I fitted all that.
Right. So it's like everything. Daz has done an absolutely cracking job, and he's done everything himself in here. So the woodwork is absolutely spot on. Love it.
Yeah, it's actually it's called driftwood.
Driftwood.
If everybody was interested.
Absolutely brilliant. But done a cracking job. And you got storage. I'm just spinning around now. This is to the back end. You got storage at the back. You got storage on here. So you got plenty of storage anyway, haven't you?
Yeah.
Holly's probably killing me for actually opening her drawers up. But yeah, the cracking job on the woodwork. Absolutely brilliant. You got 2 skylights. One at the rear. Yeah. Which is a very good size, isn't there?
Yeah,
it's a good size. And that's fully light and mesh, isn't it? Is it? Yeah. Yeah. Spot on. And we've got sink and cooker.
Yeah, Thetford sink.
I gotta sit down so we can get a better.
Thetford sink.
Yeah.
And a Thetford XXX cooker.
They're together, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's a one piece, isn't it? Yeah.
Lovely.
Spot on. And then Holly's done her little touches. Them little hearts there are just a new pile, ain't they?
All the way from Isla Harris.
Aye. Lovely.
So adding little bits and pieces in of our travels.
And we've under lighting here.
You can pop them on, can you?
So in the dimmable, so you can dim them if you want.
Oh right, actually on the light itself.
Yeah, you just press that and then.
Spot on. Yeah, and that's on both sides, is it? Yeah.
Yeah, both sides.
So does that control that one as well, or?
No.
Oh, they're individual
Yes.
dim.
And then we've got you've got your spotlights as well.
Yeah, reading lights,
Reading
aren't they?
lights, but they've got USB sockets on.
Oh bloody hell! Yeah.
So that's how we charge our phones.
Absolutely lovely, lush. That's telly, and these on your light switches.
Yes, light switches on this side, so you're in bed and you can control your lights
Yeah.
and stuff from here, which is we thought of. So you're not getting out of bed. Heater controls is here, so you can dispatcher.
Oh, you got the Urban Spectrum,
Yeah, so we can control that from lying in bed.
And in the toilets we have. Whoa, look at this.
Toilet and shower.
Oh, that's spot on. What's that there then?
That's high pressured shower head, so it uses less water.
Yeah.
but it's more powerful.
Are they expensive?
$11.99.
Amazon.
Yes.
So what? It all filters through this.
Yes.
Are they filters or just balls?
Just balls. I don't know how it actually works, but it is a lot powerfuler than the standard shower head. See the driftwood mirror.
The driftwood mirror with the
I
heart.
actually bought it for the first van and never fitted it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So it's
Yeah.
first one on this.
Yes.
And
And then the Thetford toilet
Thetford.
spins round,
Yeah.
so you can have your shower.
That actually spins, doesn't it? Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. And you got heat. I see you got heating pipe coming into there as well.
Yeah. So it's like a drying room
Uh-huh.
as well.
Vent and curtain, absolutely gorgeous. And you've done all this cutting yourself?
Yes.
Because I know that is a nightmare.
Yes.
That is.
As you can see, the sealer's not the best.
It is. It's all right. It does its job, but I know that's not
It's
easy.
very awkward, yeah.
It is very nice, spot on. And then you got two cupboards. Oh, what's my head gone? You got a cupboard top and bottom there.
Yes. Cutlery is kept in here. And obviously wardrobe on that side.
Right.
And then the electrics is actually in the back.
Tucked in the back.
All right, yeah. Tucked
So
away.
we-
That's for your solar. So
Yeah.
what solar you got on your roof?
I've got a 150 watt solar, and I use a Ring B2B,
Oh yeah, back
Yeah.
for travelling.
and it's all in one.
Lovely.
So you can just forget about that.
And then you was that a 50-litre fridge? Is
it's
it?
an 80 litre.
80 litres.
Yeah, it's an 80 litre.
That's a bit bigger than ours, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
80 litres weight or so.
Lovely, absolutely cracking job. And Holly's running away here. So what did you do, Holly? You done
Add all the carpet.
all the carpeting. What did
The carpeting on the walls.
Yeah, add all the carpeting on the walls.
So you did all the carpeting. Is that four-way stretch or just normal
Yes.
car? Yeah.
Yeah, the four-way stretch, and then obviously did the fabric round the window surround.
So all this round here
All that, yeah. And then obviously
and in there.
made the cushions, the bunting.
You made these cushions.
Yeah, just temporary.
Hey. And these?
Made
Oh, the Harris
ones,
tweed.
Yeah. So just adding little bits and pieces in as we go.
Yeah. And you did all the carpets.
Yeah, well, we've got these carpets made from somewhere in Leeds, didn't we?
Yeah,
Can't
yeah.
remember.
But you've done all the design and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And them little tiles that
Yeah.
splash back on there. And finally is the bed. So I take it the table drops down
Yes.
Yeah.
and then all the cushions and that
Make
fill
the
in
bed,
to make
yeah.
the bed.
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous. Really have done a cracking job.
Thanks.
Well, thank you very much for letting us come in and
You're welcome.
show your van off. If anybody's interested, these are our Ducato Adventures. I'll put a link there to it's just Instagram, isn't it?
Instagram,
I'm
yeah.
trying to persuade Daz to do a bit of YouTube, but we'll see. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
No worries.